How to remove your Apple ID from Apple Watch. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove your Apple ID from the Apple Watch, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To remove your Apple ID from Apple Watch is actually very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch settings on your iPhone. So you can do this process from your iPhone, or you can manually log out on Apple Watch. So from your iPhone, you open it up, you tap your Apple ID from the very top of the screen, and when you tap your Apple ID from the very top and you scroll down here, you'll find the devices that where your Apple ID is currently logged in. One is my iPhone, which is certainly this current device that I'm using it. The other is my Apple Watch, which is this Apple Watch, as you would be able to find it. So you want to tap on that particular Apple Watch here, and once you have done that, you can just tap on remove from account option. So when you tap on remove from account, this Apple Watch will reappear if it is still signed in and reconnects to the internet. So you can tap on remove, and then your device will get successfully removed from your Apple ID. This way you can remove your Apple ID from Apple Watch. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.